Hi, I'm Cassidy Ford, Account Director at FRM Solutions. This video is a tutorial on submitting and tracking support cases in FRM. FRM Solutions provides a range of support services, including two different support types, Basic and Premier. For a description of support levels and standard response times, visit our online resource center at www.frmsolutions.com. You may be able to answer your own question by visiting our digital library located in the Resource Center. FRM Client Support allows you to easily report a technical problem, ask a question, or request assistance and additional resources from the FRM team. You can easily access FRM Client Support regardless of which solution or screen you happen to be in. For example, a lead record. To get started, click the three lines on the left-hand side of the ribbon at the top of your screen. Navigate to the Help Center tile, then click on FRM Client Support in the drop-down menu. It is important to remember to navigate through FRM Client Support using the dedicated navigation buttons, rather than hitting the back arrow on your internet browser. If you receive an error when accessing Client Support, please contact your organization's system administrator to request the proper permissions. To view all cases, whether created by you or anyone in your company, use the drop-down bars to navigate to other views. To begin the process of creating a new support case, click Create New Case. Complete the fields regarding your case. Please provide as much detail about your issue or request as possible, including detailed description, first occurrence, users affected, specific examples, screenshots, etc. This will allow us to resolve your case more quickly. Select the case type, which will be either request, problem, or question. Then select a priority level, either normal, high, or critical. Be aware the critical priority level indicates a serious malfunction, and it should only be selected in cases involving system downtime. Once you hit Create Case, a confirmation message will appear and you will be directed back to the default view. To edit a case that has already been submitted, select the desired case and click Edit Case. Here you can provide the support team with an update or close the case as resolved. A message will appear confirming the case has been successfully updated or closed. If you resolve the case, it will now show under the Closed Cases view on your starting screen. Note, once a case is closed, it will become View Only. As I mentioned earlier, for more information or to access other support and training materials, please visit the digital library in our online resource center at www.frmsolutions.com/resources.